Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the sandy cheeks inspired outfit on Dress to Impress. So obviously there isn't the like fishbowl helmet, or just the helmet. I don't know why I said fishbowl, just reminds me of it. But anyways, let's get started with the video, removing everything except for the items I use accessory readjustments on. For the hair, I use this hair in I think this color here. No adjustments made, and I use these ears from the dressing rooms in I think this color first, and then the second one I use this color. Toggle it to default, and then I just scaled it down to 0.31. Then for the flower, I just use this one obviously here. Color it this color DD6388 and D59C08. Position the X at 0.55, Y 0.58, Z 0.47. Rotate the Y to 0.68 and scale it to 0.13. For the outfit, I'm just going to use these pants here in all white in type 3. And I'm also going to use these sleeves in all white. Now I am going to be using a Roblox item, but if you don't have it, you can just wear like another top. But this one has like a zipper, so like I want to use it. But just find like a top that has like a zip up. That works as well. Select these shoes here, and I'm just going to color it this like gray color, and then like a metallic gray here. And then for this one, I'm just going to color it red in matte, and then I'm just going to color the laces white. Then if you have VIP, you can just add on the kitty tail. If you don't have it, that's totally fine. You don't need it. And that is it. That is Sandy Cheeks. Super cute. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.